when preparing a switching procedure for a 5 kV feeder passing through one building to another, and the authority having jurisdiction or urge requests an industry standard or boilerplate procedure, several resources are available. The National Electrical Safety Code, also known as NESC, specifically Section 19.47, covers switching of overhead and underground circuits and equipment. This section provides general requirements for switching operations in both normal and emergency scenarios. Within the NESC, Section 19.47.5 addresses tagging and switching circuits on consumer property. This section emphasizes the importance of tagging circuits before any switching occurs. The required information on the tag includes 1. The date and time the circuit was tagged, 2. The name of the person who tagged the circuit, 3. The reason for tagging the circuit, and 4. The circuit's location. Furthermore, NESC Section 19.47.6 offers specific requirements for switching feeder tap circuits, highlighting that such switching must comply with the manufacturer's instructions for the equipment involved. Another critical standard is NFPA 70E, the standard for electrical safety in the workplace. Section 130.7 focuses on switching and energizing electrical equipment, covering procedures for both routine and emergency situations. NFPA 70E Section 130.7 contains general requirements, emphasizing adherence to manufacturer's instructions for all switching and energizing activities. It also mandates that personnel involved in these operations be adequately trained and qualified. Normal switching procedures are detailed in NFPA 70E Section 130.7.2. This section reiterates the necessity of tagging circuits before switching. The tag must contain 1. The date and time the circuit was tagged, 2. The name of the person who tagged it, 3. The reason it was tagged, and 4. The location of the circuit. Emergency switching procedures are outlined in NFPA 70E Section 130.7.3. This section requires adherence to the manufacturer's instructions for switching during emergencies and stipulates that personnel performing these tasks be properly trained and qualified. For additional information, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers Standard 525-2019, which is a guide for design and inspection of overhead transmission lines, can be consulted. Also, the Electric Power Research Institute, or EPRI, has a guide for switching alternating current distribution and transmission circuits. These resources offer more detailed guidance on switching procedures.